Welcome to the HR Learning Hub, where we decode HR concepts, dive into people analytics, and learn how to tell stories, not just share numbers. This is part 4 of Employee Engagement Insights Dashboard. In the previous videos, we understood how to read HR data, calculate ENPS, and create modern engagement score visual using a simple donut chart. I will leave a link above in the information box and in description box below in case you want to check it out. Now it's time to bring the dashboard to life using charts. Remember, a dashboard without charts is just numbers. Charts help us see pattern, trends and problems faster. In this video, we will create 3 charts. Stacked bar chart to show response rate for survey, cluster bar chart to show average score across each engagement driver or category, and a line chart to compare year-on-year engagement score trend. Being an HR professional myself, I have used dashboards like these to identify trends, spot problem areas, and support decision making. And through this and other dashboard series like recruitment dashboard, attrition dashboard, performance review and 9-box grid dashboard, I want to help you build dashboards that are not just visually good but also meaningful. I'm also looking for suggestions on which dashboard to create next, so share your suggestions in comments. For now, let's continue with this dashboard. Come back to the calculation sheets. We had created these pivots in our last video. Take one of them, copy, paste. Now here we don't want ENPS classification, we want responded in rows. Right click, show values of percentage of grand total. Take employee ID again. This time we will keep it as count. I have already kept placeholders over here, so let's copy paste the values. Employee responded percentage equal to and select the percentage from pivot table. Employee not responded percentage, select the value of no, convert this into percentage. Here we have total employees responded, total employees including the ones who have not responded, take the value from pivot table over here. Remember to always use equal to and then select the data. See how this formula gets automatically generated. So in case there are any changes in the number in table, pivot table will reflect accordingly. So will these values that we have mentioned over here using equal to. Let's take this again and copy paste the pivot table one more time. Remove ENPS classification, add department over here. Remove count of employee ID. Add all the average score across different categories. Leadership, work environment, growth, culture. Now we don't want sum over here, we want average. Right click, summarize values by average. Select the same for all 4 categories. We want only 1 decimal, so change that accordingly. And here we have average score across different categories. Again, I have a placeholder over here, so let's pick up the values from pivot table. Leadership, work environment, growth, culture. Now we will create one more pivot table over here. Come to previous data, insert, pivot table, add this data to data model. Remember to select this. This is very important because we are using 2 different tables and we are also connecting a slicer. Existing worksheet. Take date in the rows, score in values. We don't want quarter, we don't want month, we don't want date, we want only year. This is the sum of score, we want it to be average. Again, we reduce the decimal. Now let's make our charts. Employee responded percentage and employees not responded percentage. Select the data, insert, more column charts, come to bar, select 100% stacked bar chart. Okay. Doing some quick formatting to match our dashboard. Now if you see, this chart is not looking proper. 95 is showing less as compared to the remaining 5%. If you are also getting a chart like this, re-add the axis again, select on axis, right click, format axis, come here to axis option. Now see, minimum is set to 0.91, so this needs to be 0 and maximum should be 1. Now if you see, this looks more proper. Now I will remove the axis. We can take it to our dashboard. I am decreasing the gap width for both so that this looks a little bigger. I don't want 5%. Select this, increase, changing the color to white. This we will make dark blue. This we will make light pink. Adding a title, response rate. I'll insert one more text box to give the numbers. Leave some space. Adding a text box again. Write equal to over here. Come to calculations. Total employees who've completed the survey. Just format a little so that it looks more aligned with the text. Copy paste the text box again. Again put equal to in formula bar, come to calculation sheet and select total employees. So now this gives us a text box where it mentions how many employees were there and how many of them have completed the survey. Let's make the next chart. Select average scores across different categories. Insert, more column charts, bar chart, select a clustered bar chart. Selecting the color as per our palette. Some editing over here. I'm decreasing the gap width so that the bars look a little more thickened. Adding a title, engagement drivers overview. Coming to calculation sheet again, select your wise data, insert, recommended charts, select line chart, line with markers. Okay. Again, I'm making some changes over here, removing axis, removing chart title, grid lines and legend. Adding data label. Some small change over here, changing the color to dark blue. We don't want these field buttons, so removing the same. In case you missed the first video, I've also explained how do you read this data and how do you draw insights. I will leave a link above for you to watch it. Adding title over here as well. Engagement trend year-wise. In the next video, we will make this heat map for all different questions and also connect Slicer with all of these different charts. If you're finding my videos helpful, please like and comment. This motivates me to create more such content. Also, in case you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button. Bye-bye for now. Until next time, keep learning.